Hi there guys, welcome back again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that last video. Just let me know if you like that sort of video of me just getting stuff done. And that's pretty much exactly what this video is. But today we're getting the van ready for its MOT. Now, there's a few bits I actually need to get done. I need to put the standard steering wheel back on because the horn button on this one doesn't work, it's stuck. And I haven't wired it up in the back, it needs like a little adapter. So rather than mess about with that, put the standard horn on. I know, or the steering wheel, I know that that one actually works. Little story, I was speaking to VW Monkeys about did they want to work with me for a video doing the limiting straps, and I'm pleased to say that they did want to work with me. They offered me a good discount and we spoke about a few things, but stupidly I didn't actually order them. And now it's the day before the MOT, I don't have the limiting straps, so I have to change the rear springs, because when they jack the vehicle up for MOT, they jack the vehicle up and test all the suspension geometry. Well, when they do that, the springs will fall out, and obviously that's going to fail the MOT. So a good friend of mine, he's got a set of standard springs, he's let me borrow them, and hopefully I can get those limiting straps in the next week or two, and we can put in, never have to worry about this again. So that was my fault. I need to have a look. There's something wrong with the battery. I think, oh, the exhaust, I'm probably going to put that back to the standard exhaust. It's only in the garden anyway, so I might just put that one back on just for not having to worry about it, because it is a decat. I completely decatted it and it's pretty much a straight pipe. There's no way that's going to pass the emissions test. I'm going to wind the front of the front suspension up just to match the back so it doesn't look weird. And there's some sort of weird thing with the battery. I'm not sure if I've already said that, but the battery light is on continuously. Don't know why, there's no problem whatsoever, so I just want to check what that is and why that is there. And I know I did have an oil leak, so I want to clean up all the oil everywhere just so it's not gross underneath there. So that's my plan. Probably not going to film every single bit, I'll just do weird little time-lapsey and little snap bits here and there. This video was actually filmed the day after the Audi video. That's all now done, dusted. This probably won't get posted for a couple of days because I want to have the MOT, which is tomorrow for me. I want to have that in this video as well, so this probably will be a 2-3 day long video. But let's get into putting this back to standard. Well, in case you weren't quite sure of the difference, 5-inch Falconer standard. Well, I filmed absolutely none of that. I think I might have got a little bit of me changing the springs over, but that was about it. But I have done quite a lot. Steering wheel's back to standard because that one, the horn doesn't work on it. Just put that one on there for the sake of the horn. I put the standard springs back on. And man alive, this can't be how it used to look, surely. That is a stupid amount of ride height. I can't ever remember it being that high, but apparently it was. Even put the standard exhaust back on. Side exit has made its way to the garden, well, in the bush. No, you probably can't see in there, but that cat has been completely knocked out, and that is a straight pipe. That will be going back on, and so will my springs. The only reason they're not on is because, as I said, I didn't manage to get the limiting straps in time, so I had to take them off because obviously it's unsafe. Not that I've ever had a problem. I ran those 5-inch Falconers with my short shocks, never had a problem at all, but if you jack it all the way up like the MOT has to do, they will fall out. So save that being an issue, just put the standard ones on, but I will be getting the limiting straps, then I never have to worry about that problem again. Tried winding the front up a little bit as well, that's not going to work because I have the short and drop links. Because of that, it's not going to go up. I mean, that's my ride height, which is pretty much the exact same anyway. So yeah, we've got an MOT tomorrow. I think the next time you're going to see me will be tomorrow, probably after the MOT. I've got work first thing in the morning, and then I've got to go straight down there after that, so I'll probably end up filming once I get home, put all this lot back together again and show you the result. So wish me luck. Well, that happened and didn't quite go to plan. As you can see, I am wearing my dirty clothes because I had oil go absolutely everywhere. Turns out that bottom seal I should have fixed a while ago. I think it might have let go. There's oil absolutely everywhere, so I went underneath it, give it a good clean. Didn't actually take the under tray off. When it was up on the ramps for the MOT, oil pissed out, and yeah, that's one of my fails. But as you can guess, fail. So it's not too bad. Did find there was a little bit of rust underneath on the step, but the step needs cutting out anyway. Headlight aim, that's bad on both. Rear reflectors, where I have sprayed the lights black, using the tint, I got a little bit spray happy, sprayed them too much, now there's no reflection on them. But all I need to do is get some little stickers. He said they sell them in the local parts place. You just buy little reflective stickers. He says stick them on the bumper or round about where the fog lights are, and he said that'll be good enough, so get that done. Only a couple of quid, it's not too bad. Apparently my indicator at the front is the wrong colour. Didn't know about that, but I'll double check that. Steering gator on both sides split, never seen that, so yeah, again, that's an easy fix. Steering restaurant, and the oil leak, there's oil everywhere, so I need to get that done. And then the other thing is the horn on that, on the standard steering wheel. That horn is terrible. You press it and it either gets stuck on or barely works, so let's put that as an advisory, because it does work, just poorly. So it doesn't matter because I'm taking it off anyway. I'm going to put the horn on a switch, so that's neither here nor there. Go back to having my proper horn again. So yeah, I failed my MOT. This is what I was telling you about. It's starting to rot. Originally that's where it actually rot, and it's now started to make its way up around here, which is further back on the step. And he did say here as well, that's all rotten. Found out at some point, you can see that bolt up there, this has had factory seats put in, probably like a row of them across here, and then all that was obviously the work bit. So yeah, found out that's what that bolt is. Didn't even know it was there, but at least I know what it was for. This 5-inch spring pretty much fits in the gap, which I find quite cool, but I'm gonna get these put back on. I'm gonna leave the standard exhaust for now, deal with the side exit at a later date. That oil leak's gonna be a pain. While I'm doing it, I might get the bottom pulley, because that makes a hell of a noise. Just do it all in one go. If you guys are liking the content I'm putting out, please give it a great big thumbs up. I'm liking all the messages you guys are sending me. It's absolutely brilliant hearing from you guys, hearing your stories and hearing your experiences. I know there's a few of you guys that are watching that are going through some hard times and saying it's really helping, seeing my stupid ass on your TV, and you can relate to my content because you've got one of these and you've been there, or you're about to do it and it's helpful, or just you guys that are just watching just for something to do. Thank you, really appreciate it. It's nice to see that you guys are actually enjoying the content I'm putting out. If you've got anything you want to add to any of this, or anything you would like to see me do, please put it in that comment section below. Just realised I never used to be able to stand like this because my head was, well, that was about here. Apparently there's a couple of dogs hate each other, but anyway, I'm gonna get this lot done. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you like the content, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy, guys.